arbitrationagreements.org. Are you ever curious about the magic behind resolving disputes without escalating them? Today we unravel the art and science behind conflict resolution. First, a fun fact to kick things off. A study from Stanford University reveals that organizations that embrace mediation reduce conflict-related costs by over 60%. Yes, 60%. So investing time in learning these strategies is definitely worth every second. Let's dive right into the strategies that you as a disputing party can use. Active listening. Ever felt the magic of being truly heard? It is transformative. Ensure you genuinely listen to the other party. It is a game changer. Focus on the bigger picture. Sometimes we get tangled in the minor details. Instead, keep an eye on the overall goal. What are you both truly trying to achieve? Stay calm and collected. A study from Yale University states that people in calm states make better decisions. So deep breaths, everyone. Share stories, not accusations. Instead of the blame game, share how you feel. When this happened, I felt is a way to express without cornering the other party. Seek a win-win. Remember, mediation is not about winning or losing. It is about finding a solution where everyone feels they have achieved something. Be open to options. Did you know that according to a recent conflict resolution study, being open to multiple solutions increases the success rate of mediation by over 75%? So the next time you are stuck, think, what are the other ways? It's okay not to see eye to eye on everything. Respect is key. Seek a mediator when stuck. Sometimes an external perspective can do wonders. They can see what's missed when emotions run high. Remember, every conflict is an opportunity. It's a chance to understand, grow, and build stronger relationships. With these strategies in your pocket, you are well equipped to tackle disagreements head-on and turn them into opportunities. Do you need more information about mediation strategies? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That is also where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process, ASAP. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Do not forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.